My brethren. Yo, a FedEx, man. Yeah. Yo, just chill no, man. Just chill no, man. Watch ya, man. A FedEx, man. Yo. You still want them four rims the way you that check me about the other day? Yeah, man, me have 4, man. Our size? Our size of your car again? Ah. 16. Well, them one here go push you up higher. Them here 17. Yeah, how you talk about, man? You make good rim them, man. Good them in a black and silver. Yeah, and a matter of fact too, you know, tell you what, I go throw in 4 tyre upon them for you too, you know. Yeah. How that sound? You don't know, say, yo, from a FedEx, you know, say everything legit, man. Yo, you can't come for them now. Alright. Yeah, man, come link me, man. Yo, the thing, them legit, man. Them legit. You see what I say? Yeah, man, I watch no face, man. My daily already. You see what I say? Alright. Yo, next thing, yo. A 2 grand a piece, you know. Yo, what you talk about? Yo, plus tyre. What you talk about? You look pan 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You look pan 20 grand this, you know. Yo, the tyre them are good here too.